Hello, everybody. We're on a new episode of We Destroyed the Tyrannosaurus Rex. First, I got to for some reason it glitches out a lot. And if you're wondering what this hand is, right here, it's my dad. He's doing this. And he just checking out the camera. I won't be like doing this, even though I am right now. But I will be playing. If you couldn't hear that, tear down. Which is also in PlayStation or in Xbox, you have to buy it. But yeah, very fun. I just like doing this, destroying everything. And obviously, my dog is literally invincible by now. Maybe not. If you don't want your dog to have any limbs or legs, just do this. Yeah, so this is what happens with me. And I can make a portal. 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 A portal to the underground. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering how in the world I make this portal. 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 Just by using this. Come in, come in, come in. And you can basically do this right. Even, we're just gonna do something. Oh yeah, that. And this is how small the miniature city is. Oh. Yeah, it's what it's meant to move through there. Oh. And if you want to go to time is in this world, 12 o'clock. If you, this is not posted yet. Yeah. Maybe it will like a couple hours or so, but I mean a couple of minutes, like 45 minutes. It's already 12 o'clock, so basically 45 minutes. And I'm gonna pew this. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, look what I can do. Yeah. I can do this. Rocket launcher. Yeah, this is what I do at my home. I just gotta see something. Okay, you're good. I just had to turn around you for a sec. Oh, that's better, wasn't it? And I just got to do something. Yeah, that's pretty. I just gotta do something. It's gonna be alright. Nothing to worry about. Just doing my thing. No, I just gotta do something. Can it go up? Can it point up?
There.
Oh,
Is it better? Okay.
yeah, because I definitely need that. Sorry if you guys fall into the floor.
Okay.
And today we're going to be facing off a T-Rex in the miniature city. I know this is the tallest building. Oh, this is the tallest building. Oh, and you already can you do it. Start that. Pew pew and video game controller. Press. Okay, this might be just so. Ah. Okay. So this is how you do it. Daddy, I need your help. I gotta do something.
Yeah.
Oh, I fixed it. So.
Move back a sec. There we go.
Okay, so. This. You go into the menu. Now you want to press triangle side at the top. And this is how you spot a T-Rex.
Very good.
You do this. And you press X. You go down to T-Rex. What you're wanting. Which is used by. This bottom button, you can go to the T-Rex. But, yeah, do not go on other because that would be a completely, I do not know what is going to happen when you go on other. But press that, select T-Rex, and